Hello everybody. So today I will talk about physics. The topic today is about photon. So now I will show you how to answer. An incident photon with an energy of 34.7 eV collides with an electron at rest in a sheet of carbon foil. The scattered photon retains 31.5 eV of energy. What is the resultant speed of the electron after the collisions? So now I will show you how to answer. We know that at the beginning we have 34.7 eV. After collision we have only 31.5 eV. That means they just transform the energy of photon into kinetic energy, and we know that the kinetic energy that should be about 1/2 mv to the power of 2, and we know that that should be about the difference of the energy in here. So they want to find the speed, that's about velocity in here. Now about delta E, we have 34.7. We need to minus about 31.5, and we have about 3.2 eV. To find about V in here, we have V squared. So I will put number 2 multiplied by 3.2 eV. Later that we divide by m. Now we put the square root for the both sides. So about E, that is about the charge of electron, that is about 1.6. We multiply by 10 to the power of negative 19. The next one, that is about the mass of electron, that should be about 9.1 multiplied by 10 to the power of negative 31 kilograms. So we calculate this number in here, and we have about 1.06 multiplied by 10 to the power of 6 meters per second. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.